Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start a Kia Stinger. First, ensure you have safety gloves and eye protection. Position the donor vehicle so its battery is near your Stinger's battery, allowing the cables to reach easily. Crucially, turn off both cars completely and engage their parking brakes to prevent any accidental movement or electrical issues. This preparation is vital for a safe and successful jump start. Now let's connect the cables. Take one red positive clamp and firmly attach it to the positive terminal of your Kia Stinger's dead battery. Next, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the donor vehicle's working battery. Finally, secure one black negative clamp to the negative terminal of the donor battery. These connections are crucial for establishing a proper circuit. For the final connection, attach the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Kia Stinger, away from the battery. This provides a safe ground. Now, start the donor vehicle and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes, allowing it to charge your Stinger's battery. After this charging period, try starting your Kia Stinger. Once your Kia Stinger is running, it's time to disconnect the cables safely. First, remove the black negative cable from the unpainted metal surface on your Stinger. Then, disconnect the black negative cable from the donor battery. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Finally, remove the red positive cable from the donor battery, followed by the red positive cable from your Stinger's battery. Drive your Stinger for at least 20 minutes to fully recharge the battery.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.